Hello and welcome to Algebra Wonder videos. Today we will learn about commutative property. So, if you go from home to the library and you go back from the library to home, it's kind of like the same distance. So if we switch the starting point, it still gives us the same. If you switch them, it will be the same distance. This is pretty much what is commutative property look like. So let's see here. So what is commutative property? Commutative property when you switch the order of the quantity around the operation. The result will not change. So let's see an example. 5 plus 4 and 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Let's see another example. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So I switch the order of the quantity, which is 4 and 5, around the operation, either around the addition or the multiplication, and they get the same result. The result cannot be changed. So this is why we have two commutative property. We have commutative property of addition, and this is when you switch the number around the sum symbol. So 5 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 5. Or m plus 4 is the same as 4 plus m. And commutative property of multiplication, when you switch the quantity around the multiplication sign. So 4 times 5 is the same as 5 plus 4. X times y is the same as yx. Y times x, same thing. Okay, so now I'm going to challenge you. Okay, so I have this two expression here. X, open parentheses, 4x plus 3. And x, open parentheses, 3 plus 4x. So these two expressions are equivalent, mean the same. Okay. So what commutative property I have? Do we have commutative property of multiplication, or do we have commutative property of addition? Yep, right, addition. Why? Because we switch the quantity around the addition. So 4x and 3, they switch it. So instead of 4x plus 3, it becomes 3 plus 4x. So we switch it around the addition, so it's commutative property of addition. Let's check this one. Challenge one here. So is this commutative property of multiplication or commutative property of addition? So we're going to see what we switch here. So we switch y and the expression 6y plus 1, which is multiplied here. And then we look what happened here. So now we start with 6y plus 1 and then times y. So we switch around the multiplication sign. Where is it? Where is the hidden multiplication? It's actually up here between the y and the parentheses. So this is multiplication here. And this is multiplication here. Okay, so we switch around the multiplication. So commutative property of multiplication. Okay, now it's going to be your turn for Algebra Wonder. So we just learned the commutative property of multiplication and addition. Do you think is there a commutative property for subtraction or division? Why? And give examples. And thank you. Go ahead and share. Forget to say that. Share your thinking with your classmate or your family. And don't forget to share in the comments. And thank you.